Good evening, children. Happy Independence Day. Ninth class children, how are you? Okay, we'll see the topic. Lines and angles. Now part 2. In that lines and angles, we already discussed about point line, segment, ray, line, then intersecting lines, circumference, concurrent lines. We discussed up to that. Now we are discussing what are complementary angles. What are complementary angles? If the sum of the two angles, see, this is one angle, angle BOA plus angle BOA, one angle, another angle BOC, angle BOC is equal to 90 degrees. If the sum of the two angles is 90 degrees, then we call it as complementary angles. A pair of angles, a pair means two. A pair of angles is equal to 90 degrees, then we call it as complementary angles. See here also, one angle is 60 degrees. Angle ABC is equal to 60. Angle FED is equal to 30 degrees. So, if the sum of the two angles, a pair of angles is equal to 60 plus 30 is equals to 90. So, we call it as complementary. These two angles are known as complementary angles. Next one is supplementary angles. Supplementary angles. Supplementary angles means a pair of angles. If the pair of the angles is equals to 180 degrees, then we call it as supplementary angles. Supplementary angles. See here, one is 120 degrees. A, B, C. And another one is ABD is equal to 60 degrees. 120 plus 60 is 180 degrees. So then we call these two angles as supplementary angles. If the sum of the two angles is 180, then we call it as supplementary. We can write like this also. 90 degrees. One is 90 degrees and another one also 90 degrees. Then we can also call it as this sum of two angles is 180 degrees. Then we call it as supplementary angles. Then one more pair is there. Up to 8th class you studied only complementary angles, supplementary angles. But when you come to 9th class you will see the conjugate angles also. What are conjugate angles? That is new for you. Conjugate angles means sum of two angles is equals to 360 degrees. Then we call it as conjugate angles. Conjugate angles means sum of two angles is equals to 360 degrees. For example, one is 240 degrees. If one angle is 240, then what is the other angle? 120 degrees. 120 degrees. Total 360 degrees. If the sum of the two angles is 360 degrees, then we call it as conjugate. A pair of angles is equals to 360 degrees, then we call it as conjugate angles. Next one, see, for example, 180 degrees. If one angle is 180 degrees and the other angle is also 180 degrees, then 0, 8, 8, 16, 360. So the sum of the two angles is equals to 360 degrees, then we call it as conjugate angles. Next, see, pair of angles. If the two angles, we'll see the next one. If the two angles, have the common ray or arm, and common vertex, we call it as then the two angles are known as adjacent angles. Then they are called adjacent angles. Then they are called adjacent angles. See here, adjacent angles. Adjacent angles. Adjacent angles. How to denote adjacent angles? See here. See. A, B, C is one angle and C, B, D is another angle. See, A, B, C is one angle and C, B, D is another angle. For these two angles, we have common arm, that is BC, and common vertex B. So, we call these two angles as adjacent angles. If two angles have common arm and common vertex, we call them as adjacent angles. Next, if the sum of the adjacent angles is 180, then we call it as linear pair. If the sum of the adjacent angles, you know now very well about adjacent angles. See, these are adjacent angles, no? See, this is A, B, C. C, B, D. This is another angle. A, B, C. This is one angle. C, B, D. This is another angle. These two angles are there. If these two are adjacent, why? Because they are having common arm and common vertex. If the sum of these two angles, for example, angle ABC plus angle CBD is equal to 180 degrees, then we call it as linear pair. Then we call it as linear pair. Then we call this angles, sum of the two angles is 180. They should be adjacent. Definitely they should be adjacent. Then we call it as linear pair. See, if you take like this, one is here and another one is here. Here also, this is not a linear pair. They should form like this. One straight line they have to form. Whether maybe like this. This is one angle and this is one angle. Completely this is linear pair. Okay. Next one. They are adjacent. They are adjacent angles. Sum of the adjacent angles. The sum of the adjacent angles is 180. Then we call it as linear pair. Now, two lines. If two lines intersect at a point. If two lines. This is line L. And this is line. Otherwise, AB line. CD line. If these line intersect at O, then vertically, these are vertically opposite angles. These are vertically opposite angles. See here, angle AOC. Angle AOC is equal to angle AOC is equals to angle DOB. Angle DOB. These we call it as vertically opposite angles are always equal. Now angle AOD. Angle AOD is equal to angle COB. Angle COB. These two are equal and these two are equal. For example, if one angle is 120 degrees, what about this one? What about the angle DOB? Angle DOB is also 120 degrees. If one angle is 60 degrees, for example, if it is 60, these two angles are equal, no? That's why this angle also, COB also, angle COB is equals to 60 degrees. Now we discussed about complementary, supplementary, conjugate angles, linear pair, adjacent angles, and last one vertically opposite angles are also equal. Thank you.